Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube's video. In this video, I'll be looking some of the best prompts for ChatGPT when it comes to copywriting. First thing I did was to ask ChatGPT to give me a list of well-known sales marketing copywriting frames such as pain, agitate, solution, etc. that they are capable of writing in. And here are some. After that, I'll be asking if it can write a 500 word SOAP for the sales page of my business. Fast funnels, I need you to write it for a target audience of photography who are looking for a website builder to grow their photography business. That's what I wanted to do, is actually creating a landing page on fast funnel to aim specifically at photography to pull them in. And this is the answer. As you can see, it gave me 8 styles. I can also write here, please do the same but on WWAD style, and let's generate it. Now again the same on AIDA format, please. Now I'll ask it if it can take the AIDA writing and put it into a social media post format complete with emojis. Also add a call to action at the end to try fast funnel free for 14 days. And let's generate it. Now you can also ask ChatGPT if it could write social media post again, but this time throw some photography related humor. Now let's generate it. The last thing I'll be asking ChatGPT is, what are the main problem struggles a photographer might have with creating a website to market themselves online? And now let's generate it. And last, I'll be asking ChatGPT what are the main problem struggle a photographer might have with creating a website to market themselves online. Let's generate it. So these were some of the best prompts for ChatGPT when it comes to copywriting. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.